Hello guys, and welcome to one of my another video. Today we want to show you how to log into the webmail and how to use it. So let's start. First of all, I will show you how to create an email, and then I will show you how to log in to your email and use it through the webmail. Okay, let's first of all log into the cPanel. If you don't know how to log into the cPanel, you can refer back to one of my videos. My domain example is this is my domain, and I'm going to log into the cPanel. Okay, now I'm logging. I'm going to scroll down to the email section, and then I'm going to find email accounts. I'm going to open it in new tab. Here you see I don't have any email at the moment on this domain. I'm going to create an email. My email is going to be an info, and I'm going to create a password for my email. So I'm going to keep password, write down the user here. I don't want to miss it. This is a storage space. It is okay, and these configurations looks good at the moment. Okay, my email is created. Now I'm going to log into my email. In order to log into your email, you have to go to your domain. This is my domain again. You're going to enter Webmail and hit enter. You're going to redirect to a page, a login page. Okay, and you're going to enter the user of your email address. My password is this. This is a temporary password, okay? Don't use it because I'm gonna change it. So you see here is the options. Roundcube. Roundcube is one of the email service provider for the webmail. You're going to have a horde option as well. In this case, we are going to use a Roundcube. Once we log in, you will see that the environment is just like Gmail. If you have worked with the Gmail, you can work with this UI as well. So you can compose an email to whoever you like. You can see your inbox, you can see your draft mails, you can attach image, and you can add anything to your content. You can, here's the toolbar. Okay, this was a short video about how to log into your webmail. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.